Hey, this is Greg with City Restore. This cab's so dirty I don't even really want to put my feet on the ground, but I'm going to show you how our new fresh product will make this look like new again. We're going to get started with the cab now. I'm going to actually remove all the loose debris before we go to the next step. So we usually take the pressure washer and we'll remove all the loose debris from the back and the front. I'll show you in the video. And once we've got the debris rinsed out of the cab, we use a clean, mix 4 to 1, and we apply it to the floor mats. Inside the unit, just get a nice even coat on here, then basically pressure wash it out. All right, once the cab is dry, then you'll take the fresh sprayer, you'll take the gallon of fresh, basically putting it in the sprayer, there is no dilution rate, it's just straight. So you'll take the bottle and basically just fill it up to about a little bit below the bend in the can. You reapply the lid and hook it to an air compressor running about 40 to 60 psi, and then you just put it in the cab. I'll show you in the video. You just put it in more like a light spray on everything, and then let it soak in, and then you wipe off any excess with it.